time y'all see this video, just know there will be a change. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My house is chaotic right now. Yeah, this is life, okay? It's been a little dreary. It seems dark, and it is almost 1 something in the afternoon, but unfortunately, we are in the midst of a storm. So that's why it's so dark in here. But yeah, it's a lot we got to talk about, and I'll come back to you later on and I'll talk to you. Y'all, I have not picked up the camera, and as y'all see, we got something going on here. I'm kind of spilling the tea without spilling the tea, or just spilling the tea, but some of y'all may have guessed already, some of y'all may have not, but y'all just stay tuned. Your girl looking crazy. I'm about to go to bed. It is like 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm watching Living Single. Just got finished eating, my husband eating, the kids are still, yeah, but y'all get the drift. I can't wait to show y'all the progress, but yeah, so I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow, and this time I'll pick up the camera. Okay, y'all, ever since becoming plant-based, I have been enjoying using mushrooms as a meat substitute, and it has been really amazing. And I recently did a Publix order because I saw some of these amazing mushrooms that I wanted to try. You can use them for like steak substitutions, chicken, fried chicken, seafood, scallops, all different things like that. These are the gourmet mix. Y'all hear the noise in the background. Excuse me. Y'all know I'm a mom of 6. So yeah, but these are prime steakhouse mushrooms. So I got maitake, royal trumpet, pearl oyster mushrooms. I also got shiitake mushrooms and trumpet mushrooms. King oyster mushrooms, and I can use these for like I've seen people use them to do like bacon because of the way they're stripped. And if you keep them whole, you can use them, cut them in circles. You can use them as like scallops. You can use the maitake mushrooms, which are my favorite. I like to saute them. I like to fry them. And I got it not from Publix. I'm sorry, you guys. I got it from the fresh market. The fresh market. Overall, for all of these mushrooms, I spent about $45, which was not bad because this will last me an entire week and a half. What's up, y'all? It's been a minute, and I told y'all, I believe in the beginning of this vlog, that I would come back and say hey and talk to you guys and just, yeah, just kind of reminisce. And I'm not going to talk your head off. I'm not going to talk too long. My hair is pulled back because some things are going on, some things are happening. But I have my toddlers right here, so if you hear bubble guppies, they are watching it. The nailies are off. I'm going to be getting, I'm going to be doing them again. And y'all, look. Do y'all see this? Like, I don't know where this came from. But honey, this is day 2. And I'm going to have to get some of them patches I be seeing some of y'all wear to put on it. It hurts a little bit. But I really don't know where that came from. Like, it just came out of nowhere. But nevertheless, it's there. It's not stopping no beauty over here. But yeah, you guys, life has been really good. It has its ups and its downs. But breaks are needed. And yeah, so that's what's been going on. A lot of changes are happening. A lot of changes will be happening. I'm just excited about it. I'm just so excited, but I can't really tell you exactly everything, so you'll just see it as it plays out. But I am really, really excited for the things that's happening in my life, in my family's life, and just everything that's going on. So, we are going through some transitions right now, and I am just super excited about it. We have been dealing with a lot of rain. It is a little bit sunnier today. My, what do you call them? My herbs are doing good. Right now, I have my mint and my green onion, and that's pretty much it. But tonight is just going to be a super easy night. My kids have class. I'm chilling. We just going to be relaxing because we've been kind of moving for the past few weeks. So this is the first time that we've been able to down. So I took this as a mental day, and I'm just going to chill, watch some videos, watch some TV, do whatever. And yeah, my phone also broke. So I got like 4 different phones, and the people who were supposed to send me the stuff, they sent the wrong stuff. So now I'm waiting for the right stuff, and it's just been like, yeah. But nevertheless, I'll have my phone back soon, which I'm excited about. I have crock pot cheesy marinara meatballs on for my children. They're also going to have nachos. I'm doing a grilled chicken sandwich for my husband. And for me, I am having fried oyster mushrooms and some rice noodles with some coleslaw, I believe, vegan coleslaw. So I'm excited about that, and probably some strawberries. I am drinking my green juice right now. I'm at half the bottle. I just got it literally like, what is it, about 10 minutes ago? So I'm doing pretty good. I'm going to drink this whole bottle. I got my second bottle of water for today. I usually go through about 4 or 5 of these a day, and they are 16.9 fluid ounces. So I'll be done that within the next 30 minutes. And yeah, that's what's been going on, and I'm just excited, y'all. But yeah, I don't want to talk y'all, throughout the whole thing, but I just wanted to come on and let y'all know that I'm okay. Everything is fine. Just going through a lot of changes, positive changes, and that's about it. So I'm not going to keep talking. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. To all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, if you notice, there is a name change. My channel is no longer Walking Into Brittney. It is just me, Brittney Sharon. So make sure that you get to know Brittney Sharon, and I'm just excited about the name change and everything too. So yeah, nothing to it, just me, who I am, Brittney Sharon. So I will see y'all in a little bit because it's getting a little crowded, as y'all hear. Oh my God, y'all, like, look what's in my fridge. It is really time for me to clean my fridge out because it is time to do our monthly grocery shopping. And y'all, look, my fridge is a hot mess. This is all that I have in my refrigerator. My kids, they like to take stuff and put it inside of bowls and stuff. You got gravy, cabbage, mushrooms, cucumbers, everything. Like, they just do it all. And the refrigerator needs to be clean. Leftovers, everything is just up in there. You name it. Whatever they don't eat, they take it and they put it in there, and they just leave it. And when I tell you, having a house full of 8 people and your refrigerator looks like this is embarrassing. But yeah, we're getting ready to take all this stuff out. We're going to um, put it all on the counters, and we're going to go ahead and deep clean and bleach out this refrigerator so that we can get ready for our monthly grocery haul. But yeah, the camera is moving like that because my daughter is recording. So you guys, please excuse going around in circles.